Welcome back to another SJC video. Today we're at the park. So we have some mango nachos here. I have my nachos.
Yeah.
Not a real fan of mango nachos, but doesn't matter. Let's check out the park. These trees are pretty tall, if I do say so myself.
How tall?
They usually
I'll say
like
good 200.
200
maybe
inches?
100 feet, maybe. Just bigger.
Inches, centimeters, feet? Which one?
Feet.
Okay. Sam, what you gotta say?
I mean 100, maybe around 100 feet.
I believe these trees can grow past 300 feet. I think that's right.
So what are we doing here today?
Today, we're trying to explore.
So we're just out here vibing, having fun. Not really anything to explore, but just walking around. You know.
What are the things you're seeing here that are interesting?
Trees, big, long.
What's this green thing?
Bench.
Oh,
Sitting on there.
I believe he was putting
go ahead.
Check out the color. So for this tree, so it's pretty much trying to go into the fall season, but it has some different colors like maybe like oranges, red, green colors. So yeah, looks pretty good. Pretty cool colors. I believe it is a birch tree. Now let's.
At the park, they have this contraption here. Used for push-ups of high evolution and low. And also you can use this to step on and a step off. Just jumping. But you can just jump off of that as well. So yeah, many things you can do with that. Okay, so gonna come over here. So right now, if Samuel accepts it, we can do a push-up competition between the two of us. And let's get it. Hold my.
Philip, count us down.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15. This is a fast run. 10 seconds.
Very good.
On to the next challenge.
Okay.
Bye, my friend.
Calm down.
Let's do a race here. Me versus Joshua. See who's really the fastest.
Joshua.
So it's going to be a race. Me versus Joshua. Joshua versus I. Okay. So first person to get close by that lime tree or whatever, that small one right there, wins.
What? I'm not a race. Anyway,
First person who gets there wins.
I'll give Gab a little bit of a head start.
Oh,
Oh, and the tree that he's talking about is that small thing over there. That's good.
whoever passes.
Count those
Oh,
off. Count those off.
the form was not that good.
Yes, sir. 2 challenges, 1. What's next?
This is a challenge between Ma, SJC Mom, and SJC Josh. Let's get it. 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at Joshua.
You're touching his bluff.
SJC Mom, the winner. So just as my shirt says, play hard, pray hard. Let's get it. Ah.
Good look at Sam. Good look at Sam.
Hey. Oh my God.
Future quarterback. What? That's what I do in the off season. Nah, I'm just kidding.
Oh, what is that? This is bad.
Okay.
If you see that says your school, don't use it. That is bad.
Sam, show us yours. You need more people there.
Everybody check it out. Check out my new
Put your leg up. Yeah, leg up. Rock it hard.
Oh my gosh.
You go, cowboy.
Yeehaw.
You raise your hand, man.
Come to your local parks or park near you and check out some nature.
Yeah. So this was a fun experience here. You just like go to your local park, sit down, read a book.
Listen to
This
music.
lovely wind. You know, just stay fit.
And listen to music.
One thing I have to learn is that shade is very important, but most importantly is to hang out with your family and also to always stay hydrated, but also to just stay protected in all times and also be prepared for any activities you may be doing.
We did it. Everybody face the camera.
Hey,
Thumbs up. Hey.
hey, hey,
Stop it, brother.
hey, hey.
SJC with the backs. With the facts, yeah. Yeah. We both subscribers, yeah. We hit the rivers, yeah. Yeah. With our YouTube video.
What y'all doing, huh?
Yeah.
Hopefully y'all subscribe to the channel.
Like a thousand
And from the
days.
SJC
Like a
Bros
trillion
to the rest of
days.
y'all.
Oh, what?
SJC, signing go. Peace.
Peace.